I'd like to show you how to attach a bassinet or car seat adapter to Indy. The first step is to remove the canopy. You can also choose to remove the seat fabric if you'd like. I'm going to show you how to attach the car seat or bassinet with the seat fabric on. First, remove your hinge slot covers on each side of the inside of the seat. Next, provide the installed hot shoes and hardware with the Phillips head screwdriver. And repeat on the other side. Now you're ready to recline the backrest. Remove the bumper bar by pushing on the buttons on each side of the bumper bar, sliding it out. Now you can attach your bassinet or car seat adapters. To attach the bassinet, locate the hot shoes and line up the receivers while you push down. To remove, locate the fabric handles and the gray buttons, push and lift. To attach a car seat, first identify which adapter you need for your car seat. I'm going to show you the Kleck, Maxi-Cosi, Cybex, Nuna adapters. Next, locate the right and left indicators when facing the front of the stroller and attach to each respective hot shoe. To attach a Kleck car seat, line up the adapters with the Kleck receivers and push down. To remove, locate the release lever, pull and lift up. When you're no longer using the car seat and you're ready to fold the stroller, make sure to remove the adapters by pushing on the gray button and lifting up on each side. If you have the fabric removed, you do not need to remove the adapters to fold the stroller. If you have any questions or concerns about car seat compatibility, please call or email at info@Bumbleride or 1-800-530-3930.